Right now I'm back with the 2400. Windows ME was a bust. So let's try Debian 8.10. So I need to re-enable the network controller, see if that works and the sound works. And using a net install, and the next few systems I am going to try or work on are going to get the Linux treatment. So we'll just see how that goes. Regular install. Now, I don't know. Undefined video mode. Wow. Let's just do C. Haven't seen that before. But at any rate, I am going to haven't decided. God, spit it out, man. This one is going to be Debian 8.10. Another one is Debian 9.3. And the last one, I'm going to just do the Ubuntu experience. So given that, to compare, when installing Debian, I think I might choose the LXDE option for the desktop. I could put upstairs. The monster is using IceWM. So it got DCP, so this must have been on my network before and approved. So I will be back when I'm making decisions. Okay, this is normally where I don't install any desktop environment and just IceWM or something else very small later on. I can do XFCE, or I was thinking of the LXDE, because if I'm comparing, like I said, Ubuntu to this, I'm not going to do Cinnamon or Mate. So it's either IceWM, XFCE, or LXDE. You know what? Yeah. Let's have all of them the same. I don't need a print server, but I do want SSH. So, let's see if it recognizes all the next time I'll come back on this video is booted to the desktop environment, and we'll see if all the hardware is recognized. I mean, definitely the onboard Ethernet is, because obviously this is a net installation, so I'm pulling everything from online. So time for its first boot. So it's out of the CD's out of the drive, and we'll see how this goes. It's using all the onboard stuff, video. Yep. LAN and sound. So actually, yep, that is actually plugged into the sound card. Just turning on the speaker. Oh goodness. And we'll see if we have anything. If we do, And it. No. Well, is there a way that we can test sound? Does it? Let's see. Does it? One second. Yeah, there we go. Out of the box. Music is working. Ooh, skipping boo. No copyright strike, please. We have 2.66 Pentium 4. We see the video card, it sees it right away. All the USB. It's an ISA bridge for reasons. Multimedia controller. And the disc is an 80 gig Western Digital. That was original to this machine. So, yeah. We have everything working. So I'm buttoning this up. This is it. This is working. Oh, actually, one thing I want to see actually is what Iceweasel can do. Oh, okay. Not too bad. I mean, this is all current. This is all current. So, I don't know. Where is the about? About Firefox. 52.5.2, the ESR. So this should be supported for a while. Oh, I'm not expecting this to work. CPU usage is cranking away right there. Let's watch a Geico insurance thing, maybe. And there's sound. Okay. Yeah, at least in that window it's playing, or that small. Excuse me. Web page is slow loading? Did it really say that? No. No autoplay. Let's do theater mode. Bring it up a bit, maybe. We are struggling here, but I mean the video is still playing smoothly. Yeah. There we go. Ability to skip ad, and it's almost done. All right. We're gonna catch up. Now we're gonna catch up. What are we at? 360. $480. Yeah, I'm not gonna try anything else right now. That's if that's what it's playing like at the audio, maybe at 240 it might do better. But oh well, I mean, that it loads. It actually loads. It's in comments. Are you loading? Are you loading? Yes, we are. Okay. Well, you know what? I think that's a success. I think that's a lot more useful than Windows ME. So this is getting closed up. Just as a quick aside. Okay. So the first part of this video, and I said that I couldn't get the floppy drive to work, and you saw me like a doofus actually having the floppy cable, the system, the side that's supposed to be plugged into the drive is plugged into the system board, and I had that backwards. That wasn't the only problem. The power cable wasn't connected to it. That's not the only problem. Both of those drives, after I fixed those two issues, both of them did the same thing. Popped in a disk, tried to read, and both of them said that the disk was unformatted. So both of those drives were actually bad. It wasn't just a stupid user error right there, but they were bad drives. Second of all, this is from the Gateway 500 SE video. We're still checking for updates, and it is actually checking because SVC host is at 99%. It's been that way for 22 hours right now, I would say. So this is the same behavior as the Compact 5000 was doing. So after all this, we should actually see some updates up here. I still am going to revisit this though, because if you remember from this video, if you saw it, I don't know, the power supply was flapping in the breeze because it was only connected using that green retention. Well, came to realize that this is attached to the power supplies that are in the gateways. So you would screw this onto the power supply if there are screw holes available on the power supply, that is. And this actually, when you shove the power supply back, it holds that in place with tabs as well. So I'm going to need to take this apart again after this is done and do this. The other thing I am going to do, actually I should probably do it soon, or before I take it apart. Remember, I'm going to be putting this 9250 in here. This 8600 is overkill and probably would be a better suited to the hyper-threaded Pentium 4. Even though it's PCI, it currently has an AGP card in it, but it's an X600, I think. So that 6800 is, or 8600 is actually more powerful than that AGP card. So PCI is out of here. This one, 9250, was probably going to be in here in the gateway, hopefully. One thing I did do is I oiled the fan up, because in another video, I don't know which one, it wasn't spinning. Oiled up the fan, and hopefully it didn't burn out, but hopefully that will solve that problem. But enough rambling about other things, because this is a video about the 2400, and obviously you see it's up and running, and I consider this a success, much better than ME. So, next video. An addendum, because I'm using this computer as a test box for this card, just the oil did the trick. The GPU fan is spinning, so I feel more confident in using this board in another machine now. It's not staying in this machine, but we know that this graphic card works. Later.